Good morning. My name is Richard Levin of R&J Cabinet Makers. I've been working on the site here for 27 years. We used to do furniture restoration, and now we've gone back to cabinet making. And I'm basically the finisher with some help of young Dennis. We use as much Festool equipment as we can, just because it's very well made. But yeah, so this at the moment we're going back to the restoration. We're a bit of upcycling, if you like. As a hotel, instead of buying new furniture, they're painting up some of the old stuff, which is relatively good quality, and hopefully that will save them some money, bring some work in for us. So it's a win-win across the situation. Everybody wins, so why not? So we've given these boards a prime. They're now getting ready for the final top coat, of which we are doing here, trying out this new toy. So there's no point in getting to 60 because they ain't very far away, and having a load of money in the bank and having messed up lungs. So this is why we look for the dust extraction and try and look after everybody, because men don't bother as a general rule. It's part of the job, but it's not really. It's what you can't see we need to be concerned with.